demoted to where I'm ordained for things that were made from things unseen. There are realms of glory for my world to see, dimensions found only in Jesus Christ the Son. Channels of my spirit open up. I am with the Father. Open up. No boundaries, no limits. Open up. Let deep call unto deep. Open up. Channels of my spirit open up. I am with my Father. Open up. No boundaries, no limits. Open up. Let deep call unto deep. Open up. Open up. Let the river flow now. Out of demon day to where I'm ordained for things that were made from things unseen. There are realms of glory that my world should see, dimensions found only in Jesus Christ the Son. Channels of my spirit, I am with my Father. No boundaries, no limits. Let them call unto them. Lift your voice and say, channels of my spirit. Open up now, now. I am with the Father. Hey, no boundaries, no limits. Let him call unto them. Lift your voice and say, channels of my spirit. Because I am with the Father. No boundaries, no limits. Let my deep call unto your deep. Hey, channels of my spirit. Because I am with my Father. No boundaries, no limitation. Let him call unto them. Lift your voice and say, channels of my spirit. Open up now, now. I am with my Father. Hey, no boundaries, no limits. Hey, let him call unto them. Sing it like you mean it. Channels of my spirit. Open up, open up. I am with the Father. Open up now. No boundaries, no limits. Let him call unto them. Open up now. Aradabalakosha. The Bible says, out of my belly shall flow rivers of living water. Somebody put your hands on your belly and begin to stir that river right now by speaking in other tongues. Rabalagabara de kosha, elonda batakatai, elusha nandelekata. There's a river inside of you, inside of me, that is able to draw the water. Alanda katakai, erosha namanate. No boundaries, no limits. Let the river flow. Put your hands on your belly and begin to stir the river. Let the river flow. Let the river flow. Let the river flow. Let the river flow. Let it flow now, now. Let it flow, flow. Let the river flow. Let the river flow. Let the river flow. Say, channels of my spirit. Hey, I am with the Father. I shall not be nothing. No boundaries, no limits. I shall let him call unto them. Hey, channels of my spirit. I am with the Father. Open up now. No boundaries, no limits. Let him call unto them. Come on, this song is for you. Lift your voice and say, open up. Channels of my spirit. Because you are with your Father, I am with my Father. No boundary, no limitation, no barrier. Alabarakata. Wow.